Alright, this is 4.6, which is an electron with a mass of 9.11 times 10 to the negative 31 kilograms leaves one end of a TV picture tube with zero initial speed and travels in a straight line to the accelerating grid, which is 1.8 centimeters away. It reaches the grid with a speed of 3 times 10 to the 6 meters a second. If the accelerating force is constant, compute A, the acceleration. Well, so for this we're going to use this formula, because we know that has zero initial speed, so there's no initial velocity, we just want the final velocity. But what we really want is the acceleration, because we have the final velocity. So we can rewrite this as A equals v squared over 2d. And plug in our numbers, we get A equals 3.0 times 10 to the 6 divided by 2 times 1.8 equals 2.5 times 10 to the 12th meters a second squared. So that's part A. So part B, the time to reach the grid. The time to reach the grid. So for that, we could just use time equals velocity over acceleration. So you just plug that in. Times 2.5 times 10 to the 12, you'll get 1.2 times 10 to the negative 6 seconds. And part C, the net force in newtons. Ignore the gravitational force on the electron. Well, we know that force equals mass times acceleration. And we have acceleration, and we have the mass. So we know the mass is 9.11 times 10 to the negative 31 times 2.5 times 10 to the 12th. Do that, you get 2.2775 times 10 to negative 18 newtons.